So this is Bridport or Brid Beach. Can't remember. We turn up to so many places. And this is a beach here, and we're booked in for 4 days because they've got the Scallop Festival happening on a Sunday, which we've bought our tickets for, and that should be an awesome little day. Hopefully a lot of food vans and get heaps and heaps of scallops. Yeah, so Bridport, Brid Beach, B-R-I-D, port or bridge. We'll find out. But yeah, Caravan Park just behind me. Our van's just up the road there. And we've got the water views. I'm not sure if I can walk back up through here to get back to the van. Yeah, I can see the van. There's the van. I'll swing it around, and the caravan's just up there.
Down in Bridport by the bay, where the Tamar waters play, there's a place where the world feels fine, with the sand of the sea and the ocean bright. The boats are coming in at dawn, with their catch the day's begun. Golden scallops in the net, the treasure here we won't forget. Scallops and the sea, they call to me, in Bridport where the winds run free. With every wave and every sail, we celebrate the Scallop Trail. Oh, gather round for a taste so true, at the festival where dreams come through. The festival lights the shore.
Wow, okie dokie. Just heading off now to the Scallop Festival. Just dropped Debs off at the gates, and I've just come back through the Caravan Park, and I'm going to park just across the road from it and see if I can sneak in that way. Alright, so I've got this park here, all hopefully by myself. No one parks behind me. And just over here is the festival. There's car park and everyone's piled up around there. Entrance is on the other side, but I'm going to head through and try and sneak through this way. I've already paid, I've got my ticket. Yeah, I've got my wristband. So, this is it. Let's see if we can sneak over somehow. At the food truck. So I'm going to have a look and see what sort it is. What sort is it, Debs? Want to show it? Ooh, nice ham and pineapple one. Looks good. Oh, we've got a juggler over here. Let's go and see what this juggler bloke's doing. Looks like all the kids are throwing juggling sticks around. Place is so popular that it's got a film crew here. It's like they're doing a thing on the Scallop Festival for the Channel 7 News. It's good. Mum just sent me back to the festival to get our scallops. They got me scallops. Heading back to the caravan now. Yeah, just heading through the caravan park now, which is so good because the caravan park's just here and the festival's just over the road there. Yeah. Oh yes, yeah, you've got to have you got the fridge in there and the car fridge in there. Hey Dex, you gonna say hello? Say hello to the camera? Yep. Hello. Hello. Good on you. And sorry, your name? John. That's John and Dex. There. Alright, thanks mate. Guys, hope you enjoyed that video. That was Bridport, Tasmania and the Scallop Festival. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe and g'day Australia.